Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to polish headlamps from these plastic scratches to make like something like this. First we need 600 sandpaper with water to remove all big scratches. Keep sanding, so it's gonna remove all big deep scratches, especially those ones. You have deep scratches like this. So that's how it looks after sanding. If you need better, like deeper sanding, like this example, you can get in, need to use like 2 maybe 100 or 300. Then you're moving out to the next is like 1000. This one and this one looks after 1000. The next step you're gonna do after 1000, no, if you have 1.500 it's not bad as well, but I don't have this one, so you're gonna use straight away 2000. So in this stage we're gonna use 2000, and you can see straight away, look, it's changing one side. That's it. Keep sanding in Friday evening. We have 3 sponges, harder, medium and very light. You can see how hard they are by pressing. No, maybe you not can see, but I definitely can feel it. I'm not sure what kind of numbers is there, but we're gonna start from most hardest and we're gonna go to medium and then we're gonna go to soft. And after this, the softness should be the glass like amazing. And I got this car polishing. I'm not sure it's like very good for this, but like definitely works the job from Halfords if you're in UK. Shaking and then slowly I start to make even in the sponge. This is how it looks after first sponge. It already looks quite good, but if you look closely you will see, I'm not sure you can see through camera, like little pieces. It's dirty from inside, you remove them and clean it from inside, but from first it already look quite in decent condition. Now we got a middle sponge. This is how it looks after middle one. And let's move to the most softest, just in case you have some little scratches. Of course, most of you can't even see, but in general, overview, it's gonna look much better. And black one, the most softest. This one, how it looks. It looks very nice actually. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you later next time.